We're Jack and Megan, and this is our home. Over the past 2 years, we've been driving our tiny home on wheels across Australia, visiting some of the most incredible locations it has to offer. Yesterday, we hopped on a barge to revisit one of our absolute favourite locations, Gari. One of the main reasons we love our Troopy is because it allows us to visit places like this, but to be completely honest, we're a little bit out of practice with four-wheel driving.
It's good to be challenging the Troopy again. It looks buggy. Oh my gosh!
Yesterday, we've already seen some incredible scenery and just casually had some near decapitation. Oh my god.
You would have been
That was the
Scarface,
scariest moment of my life. Today, we visit some even more stunning locations and
I come around and I literally see the table on fire.
make sure you subscribe to join us on our travels every Sunday. Good morning from beautiful Fraser Island. We are up not quite as early as we'd hoped this morning because the plan was to beat the rain and to beat the crowds to Eli Creek, but, oh thank you. The sound of the waves crashing this morning was just so beautiful and so peaceful, we just went straight back to sleep, but fingers crossed we're still early enough, even though we have seen a few cars go past. Look at this little patch of blue sky.
It's wicked. We
So
weren't
beautiful.
we weren't expecting this.
Jack was like almost gonna bail on doing any sort of activities today. We thought it was gonna rain flat out all day.
I was going to push it an extra day forward so
Yeah.
we'd stay. We'd have to stay on Fraser an extra day. What a shame.
What a shame that would be.
But the weather's coming through kind of, so it should be a good day.
Yeah. So we're just coming up to the crossing that you need to do before you get to Eli Creek. It's just there. Our original plan was to just park on this side of it and walk across, but Jack reckons he can cross because it's still high tide. So usually you'd have to wait for low tide. I don't think it's high tide.
No, I'm just going to go check it.
Yeah.
To see how soft it is. I think it's alright because there's a car over there already, but I want to check it anyway. It's hard as. It's hard. Should be fine. I reckon that car's crossed over. Alright, let's go.
Is this salt water or fresh water?
Well, it's fresh water.
Okay, well, that's
It
right.
might be a mix with a bit of salt water, but I think it's coming from the centre of Fraser out to the ocean.
Right.
Now, I could be very wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure it would be fresh water.
Yeah, because that's the way the creek is flowing. Anyway.
Yeah. Alright, let's cross.
We've really become overly cautious, haven't we?
We have, yeah.
So if you've never heard of Eli Creek before, it's actually kind of like a lazy river. Last time we visited, I had no idea. I thought it was just a really pretty place to come and visit, which it is, but I saw a few people floating down on their floaties and we didn't come prepared with a floaty, so it was my number one thing this time we visited Fraser. I had to have a floaty.
We came prepared with one floaty because it was 20 bucks.
We actually weren't that prepared and we forgot all about it until we got to Rainbow Beach, and they know exactly what they're doing with their pricing there. They have bought this one from Kmart and are upselling it for $20.
Yeah, it's good business.
Yeah.
I would do that. Alright, let's pump it up.
We did it.
How good is it, eh?
So fun. I love it. I do it all day. Except it's really cold now.
How many times have you been down it, Megan?
We have been proper Instagram vlogs this morning. We've been here for like well over an hour.
More like 3.
Really?
Yeah.
No wonder I'm so hungry.
Yeah. Look
Had
at all
some
the
breakfast.
look at all the people that's rocked up. All right, brekkie.
Breakfast.
Yeah. Someone's hungry.
So we've had some brunch and we're continuing our way north now. We're staying on the east side of the island again tonight with another beach camping zone. We're gonna go pretty far up, not all the way to the point again this time because we're here for the exact same amount of nights as we were last time, and it did feel like we were doing a lot of driving last time. So I feel like it's good to just stay a bit more central and not be zigzagging all over the island, so we feel a bit more relaxed.
Yeah, the island's actually massive.
Yeah.
It's huge. But yeah, I'm pretty content with what we're doing, so
Yeah.
I'm happy. We're coming to Mahino Shipwreck, I think it's called. We'll put the name up on the screen. It's pretty cool, and the tide's down, so we can actually see the whole thing right now, and it looks wild.
Wow.
I'm looking at it now. We're coming up to a spot called Indian Head. Now, remember last time it was a challenge for the Troopy, so it's good to be challenging the Troopy again. It's going to be, it looks boggy. Have a look at it. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's boggy. Megan's going to have a long way to walk. I can't stop. Far out, the Troopy's done it. Loves it. Whoa. Oh no, someone looks like they've lost their boat.
Oh my god.
Someone's boat is literally off their car. Oh no. Huge piler. He's stuck. It looks like he's tried to go up the hill, then reverse back, and now his boat is stuck and they can't pull it back and they can't pull it forward. Far out.
It kind of looks like we're going to be here a little while, so I am going to make us a snack while we wait. Do you want some carrot and hummus?
Yes. That boat ain't coming out anytime soon. So I'm thinking we're not going to make it up to Nagala Rocks or our campsite tonight.
Do you think?
Well, it's pretty stuck. The boat's like, it looks like it's come off the guy's tow ball and the boat's just gone back and nudged itself in the sand. So I don't think we're going to be crossing through here anytime soon, and there's no way around it. So
Well,
we'll wait another hour.
it's now 2:30. I reckon we have a snack, wait maybe an hour, and then by 3:30 we'll know if we want to continue on to our camp. The only issue is we haven't got a booking anywhere else, and
we'll have to do a sneaky free camp.
got no phone reception. Well, it's not really free because we paid for a camp. We just need to find somewhere
Well, that's fair enough.
that's not too busy. But I really was excited to go to this camp, so hopefully they get it sorted soon.
I'm looking at this boat, it ain't getting sorted. Oh, I feel so sorry for him.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Wonderful.
Good hummus, hey? Got our snack to go because the boat is out.
Yep, boat's out. Got the drone up and a nice chopped 80 series. Don't know what was in it, but it was roaring. Pulled it up, then reversed it out easily. So all the traffic's gone. Then we just met a viewer of the channel as well. He goes, "Are you Jack?" I said, "That's me." And he's got a VDJ 105, 100 series, I think it is. And there he goes. It is an absolute beast of a thing. I loved it. I go, "I want a 100 series." He goes, "I want a Troopy." And I was like, "We should do a swap." I think we'd regret it. Troopy wins all day, eh?
Especially on a rainy day.
Nah, that 100 series was nice though. I love a good 100.
If it starts raining tonight, you sit out in the rain and practice, okay?
Anyways, we're going to hit this dune and hope to God we don't get bogged down. Any cars coming? Alright, we're about to hit it. Oh. Easy. Oh my gosh, there goes the laptop. Holy crap. Easy, mate. Ew.
Trees.
Oh, trees. Mega's got the drone up still. We've made it to our next camp spot, beach camping zone number 8. Now, it is absolutely stunning. I think every single beach camp on Fraser is amazing, eh?
I just love that this one we've got a bit of grass. Well, we had grass last night, but there's also wildflowers, so that's
She's
cool.
stoked about her wildflowers. I'm going to try and do a bit of fishing now. I got a pink fishing rod, so I'm a bit embarrassed. We've been driving past all these fishermen with huge beach rods and massive reels, and I've just got my pink fishing rod, so I don't actually know, as you guys probably know, I don't know how to fish, but I've gone and got myself one of them. What else I get? I think that's a 4WDing jig, and some of these, which I don't have a clue what they're for, but I think I've got a good reel and good line, so I'm probably gonna go with that and put some. We've got some bloodworm in there, so.
I can just see the comments already. You're doing it all wrong.
Yeah, I'm probably doing it all wrong, and you're gonna let me know, but I'm gonna go with these ones here. So let's give it a shot, eh? Alright, my fishing rod is definitely too small. I'm pretty sure a lady walked past and she said to her husband, look at that fishing rod that guy's using. And I was very self-conscious. I was very self-conscious about my rod, so. I knew what I was going to say, but I wasn't sure if I should say it, and I said it anyway. But yeah, nah, I'll try do some fishing on the west side. Now, when I come back from fishing just then, I come around and I literally see the table on fire.
You didn't see it, I was like, fire!
Megan's got the table on fire right near the gas bottle. And that's never happened when I cook, Megan, so can you please explain?
You set up the barbecue for me and said, yep, you're good to go.
No,
Sabotage.
it doesn't matter. When you're about to light the barbecue, do the final checks. It's just typical construction work, mate.
Just making us a delicious meal here.
What are you cooking?
Pasta.
Pasta.
Yes.
With what?
It's a secret. I'll tell you when it's done. Go away.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll see when it's done.
I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. It looks good.
It does.
It smells good.
You put so many ingredients.
Yeah, so we got onion, garlic, capsicum, mushroom, beef mince, tiny bit of bacon, just because I wanted to add some salt in there.
Oh, you put bacon in there?
Just only one ration in this whole thing, but anyway. And then parsley, basil, spinach, and I think that was it. And I would have put zucchini in it as well, but I thought we had those zoodles, so I didn't put zucchini in, and then it turns out the zoodles were off. So I'm a bit spewing that I don't have zucchini in it, but oh well.
It looks great anyway, look at it. That's amazing.
Could have been healthier though.
Yes. Anyway guys, we're going to enjoy a beautiful dinner cooked by Megan, and we'll see you on the next vlog. We're still going to be at Fraser Island. We're not done yet. We've got to go to the west side and we've got to check out some pretty cool lakes.
Yes. Make sure you subscribe to join us there.
See you guys. That took longer than we thought it was.
Yeah, how do people blow these up with their mouth? That would be a nightmare.
So the drone has just fallen out of the sky. Lucky it was not over the creek, but Megan reckons she saw where it went.
No, you haven't lost it. It's there.
Did it go here?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Got it.
It's still tangled. Is it damaged?
No.
How lucky is that?
Oh my God. Right, anyway.
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah. Far out. So it literally just turned off and fell out, and
I think it was that battery wasn't clipped in properly.
I don't know. All right, let's try again, round 2.
So we've had some brunch. And what else am I saying? I've forgotten. Delicious.